Hey Chris, welcome to Performance Unlimited. We just got done running your 351 Windsor engine on a dyno going in your Bronco. This thing turned out absolutely awesome. I think you're really going to love the way this thing pushes that Bronco along. Excellent torque and horsepower. Because we build so many engines and dyno every one of our engines here at Performance Unlimited, we get to tweak the combinations, and this is a fantastic engine with basically what we call square torque and horsepower. Same torque as horsepower, which really feels great in a street or off-road type vehicle. So I think you're really going to enjoy this thing. Just go over a couple things real quick on the build. We start out with a late model block. That block goes through an extensive cleaning and checking process until we deem it that it's good enough for the build. Fully remachined. We've got brand new ARP bolts in the rods and in the mains. We've got the Canton rear sump truck oil pan. Doug painted the block this really cool purple color. We've got the purple matching Taylor spark plug wires on here. And we've got E Street cylinder heads with our own dual valve spring and Vicon seals. 7/16 studs, no 3/8 studs from this shop. Fully rollarized stainless rocker arms, one-piece push rods, a brand new Edelbrock intake manifold, and of course the MSD Atomic EFI unit. This engine also features an MSD built distributor. Timing is all set for you. You want to throw a light on here, you'll see 12 degrees at about between 900 and 1,000 RPM. The idle for this engine should be about 800. Fuel curve is all set. This is a self-learning system, so as you drive it, it's going to get better and better, approaching those parameters that we set in the computer. Once again, a real badass engine. Please make sure you got adequate radiator and cooling fans for this thing to keep it, running cool for you. By the way, we've got a black distributor cap that's going on here for you to match your really cool black rib valve covers and air cleaner. So that'll obviously be on the engine when you get it. Chris, I would give Steve a call regarding the torque converter and transmission installations. We've had some issues over the years, so we like to go over that stuff with you. You got to make sure the nub of the converter fits into the back of the crank. And if it's a stick, you want to make sure that the pilot bushing is fully engaged at the back of the crank, and that the splines of the input shaft do not bottom out on that when it's bolted to the bell housing. There's a lot of variances and tolerances that can stack up against you, but you must make sure that that stuff is done correctly, otherwise you can have some issues down the road. Hey man, you got a great engine here. We really appreciate your business. Thanks for choosing Performance Unlimited for your custom turnkey hot rod engine, and good luck with your Bronco project.